It has been a very long and at times difficult process, but the New Moon team has made it as easy as it could be. Everything leading up to when we actually arrived here came to reality, and every single event we just kept saying to ourselves, like, they did an amazing job. They met every single one of our expectations, between coordinating with guests and, you know, the amazing displays, the food, the entertainment. Just the New Moon team did amazing with everything we could have, everything we wanted.
Yeah, I would say the best thing about the New Moon team was the responsiveness, especially given the time difference and like the fact that our wedding date was like amongst the million other weddings that was happening. Like, we always heard back very quickly, things were resolved very quickly. Like, what we cared about is we knew things would go wrong at the wedding, but we wanted a team that like would have our backs when things got wrong, went wrong, and the few things that were out of everybody's control, you know, we were supported every step of the way. Decor was incredible. Everything went so smoothly, no complaints. We would definitely, I know this is off, I guess, but my friend's brother is getting married, and her parents came to you guys, so we already told them also that like, you guys are great. We would recommend New Moon to everybody.